Hello and welcome to 334 West Georgia. So what I love about this is the location more than anything else, because right down that way are all the upward restaurants. You have Federal Pizza, drawing a blank, you have Windsor, and then you have, I'm drawing a complete blank, Postino's, right there off of Central, and they just added that pedestrian crosswalk. So good. And I used to live on the other side of 7th Avenue here, and I just love this neighborhood. So this one's a big boy for the area, 3,000 square feet. It's older, it's gonna need some love here. But let's go on in. 2-story, you see balconies all over the place, 2-car garage. Let's go on in. So between me and you, they're advertising this as a full remodel. And some of it is, but I think there's definitely some love to be had here. So take that for what it is. Here is you walk into a kitchen, and right off the bat, you got your stainless steel, stuff like that. You got good space, little dining room here. But the biggest challenge here, corner of the house, walking, you can see there is a stairway here completely blocking the living space between the kitchen and the living space, because this is your living room. This is pretty much all you have for a living room. So there you go. Walking this way, you got a couple of guest bedrooms down here, 3 guest bedrooms downstairs. This is a 6-bedroom house, which is really unusual for the area. Dual pane windows, full guest bathroom, another guest bedroom. So 3 guest bedrooms downstairs. This is the biggest one. This one's kind of like a double. It's an in-suite. Hello there. I'm sorry, en-suite, full bathroom, walk-in closet. This is the nicest bedroom downstairs. I'm wondering, I haven't looked up tax records yet, but I'm wondering if they added the entire upstairs. Because with the way it looks, I would not be surprised. Let's finish up down here real quick. So coming over, 2-car garage and a pantry over here. There's your pantry. Not too shabby. 2-car garage, which looks exactly like a 2-car garage. And you walk out here, you have a separate entry to the driveway or backyard, I'm sorry. Laundry room. And there you go. Yard is really nice here. We'll get to that, but check out the upstairs first. But they try to be, this is kind of a mix here of styles. Sometimes the house doesn't match itself, and this is one of those situations. So bedroom, bathroom, master. Let's start with the master here. A balcony access to the front right there. They all have a balcony access, by the way, which is the coolest thing about the house, I think. All these houses have some sort of character to them. Another balcony here. And the master actually has access to the balcony and stairs going down to the yard. So this is what I love about this area. Absolutely green and lush and in the middle of the town too. So I'm partial to this area though, of course, if you know me. Here's your master. You're gonna love this shower in here. So just kind of a big space, just feels, not too well planned out, unfortunately. And the most unique shower you'll ever see. They told me this is really good for hydration. It's super fancy. I don't know how it works. But they liked it, so they put it in. And you got your walk-in. So as you see, and I saw something weird over here, unfortunately. As we're walking, the floor starts to there's definitely a lean this way, which I don't like because right outside this window is a big tree. So I'm wondering if we have a foundation thing going on, because this floor is definitely wavy in here. But there's your upstairs bathroom. Not too much more to see here. Decent sized room up here with old school attic access right there. Balcony access there. And then the final bedroom with walk-in closet and balcony access once again through that door right over there. Check out the backyard. If anything, get an idea of what this price point will get you out here. I don't think they're gonna get this price, to be honest with you. It's not for what they're marketing. They're marketing a renovated home. It's just not there. This one needs some love. So cool yard though. There's that old school Phoenix yard. Hot tub. There you go. Love the trees over here. This lush. That's my favorite thing about this. So probably too much house for the money out here, and I definitely see some red flags with foundation. All this wood, all this balcony will be really high maintenance. So just some things to consider. This might be the one for you, but definitely not what they're marketing, I don't think, unfortunately. And there you go. That is 334 West Georgia. And more than anything, I can do this on any home. We're doing this a few times a day at minimum. So shoot over any address you want us to check out and we'll get it done for you. Thank you.